You're viewing a Mercruiser or Mercury Outboard Laser 2 48-16552A41. It's also known, same number, ending in A45. This prop is new. It's out of the box. Has some shelf dust on it, but there are no nicks, scratches, dings, wear marks, corrosion, whatnot. Nothing at all to indicate it's ever been used. Has a real nice cup to it. It's a 27 pitch, 13 3/4 inches in diameter. This prop has good solid hub in it. Well marked, as you can see. It does have the Laser 2 engraving on it. Anyways, this is a 13 3/4 by 27 right hand 48-16552A41. Thanks for viewing.